Today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 150 different strategies, with 52 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 30-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says this new advanced TradingView indicator to buy and sell perfect entry trade. And so a little bit of grammar issues, but that's alright. Interesting claim. We're definitely going to put that to the test and see what this strategy can do. And so let's go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. The first indicator that you will want to add to the screen is going to be the extreme entries with mean reversion, this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen and it will look kind of similar to this here. What I'll do is just go ahead and add it one time here, and it will look like this right here, just a few different lines, and then you have these red arrows and you'll also have green arrows like this right here. What we are going to do is we are going to go in and modify some of the settings on this to make it look like I have here on screen. And so the first thing that you'll do is you'll go in and turn off the upper band, the mean, the lower band, and the EMA trend filter. And in the setting, these inputs, you're going to change the CCI to 12. You're going to change the RSI length to 16. And you'll hit OK, and that'll give you what you see here. And again, we're specifically looking for these arrows, these red and green arrows here. And so the next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the Premier RSI oscillator, this one right here. And you will add it. It will look similar to this right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the settings on this one. And under the RSI, we're going to switch that to 16. Under the stock length, we're going to switch that to 6. And the smooth length, we're going to change that to 21. Under the style tab, you're going to go in here under the Pro Histo, and you're going to change this to columns from the histogram. And you'll hit OK, and that'll give you what you see on screen now. And so what we're looking for is the extreme entry to again give us one of these arrows, the green arrows or the red arrows. In this case, it gives us a red arrow right here. And that means that we are then looking for a buy entry. And so with the red arrow, we're also looking for a red candle to appear as the same time it gives us the red arrow. And then looking down to the Premier RSI, we're looking for it to give us a red column or a red bar like so. Once all those are in place, that's going to be your trigger to then enter a short trade. And we are going to set our stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. And you see that we make a really nice push, pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit. And for our long setup, what we're looking for is the extreme to give us that green arrow that you see right here. And then we're going to have or look for the green bar that comes with it. So a green bar appears there instead of a red candle. And then we're looking for the Premier RSI, to be in the green position or have a green column right there. That's going to be our trigger to then enter a long trade. going to set our stop right below the last swing, and we're going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward again, right? We'll go right there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see that we come down, get really close to our stop, but we avoid it, and then we make this push right up there, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades. That's going to put us at a 52% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, you'd be looking to gain $600 per winning trade. That means that you would have gained $15,600. On the losing side, though, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. That means that your drawdown there would have been $9,600 for a total gain of $6,000 altogether. Not too bad of a strategy altogether. $6,000 isn't too horrible. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 53 trades during that same period of time. We had 45 winning trades. We had 8 losing trades. That's going to put us at an 84% win rate. And so on the winning side, if you are looking to gain that same $600, you would have gained $27,000. On the losing side, though, you would have lost $6,240 for a total gain of $20,760. So significantly better gains with the Academy of Forex strategy. Now keep in mind that this strategy here is a trend trading strategy, a trend following strategy, whereas the Academy of Forex strategy is more of a reversal strategy. So combining these two together, you can definitely maximize your profits, even with the strategy here being a little bit lower as far as the win rate goes. You can definitely make a decent team in growing your account. So if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well to continue to have that access. And so it's super cheap for a profitable, efficient strategy and indicator. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. And so this is the signals each week using the Academy of Forex strategy. It is on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. And so for last week, the Forex pairs did 11 trades altogether. They had 6 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at a 54% win rate. And that's a drawdown of $300. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and a gain of $1,200. So in total, the gain for the week would have been $900 altogether. Now keep in mind that we're still in that tricky holiday trading market where things are a little bit indecisive and the market doesn't cooperate too well. And so it's no doubt, or no surprise I should say, that we had a little bit of a drawdown. But this is the reality of trading. You'll have good weeks and you'll have bad weeks. The idea is to have better good weeks than you have on your bad weeks. And so you can see here that even on the weeks where we have a significant drop in the win rate, we are still able to maintain a relatively decent low week here, a low red week or a small green week including the crypto coin. Just like last week, it was a small red week. And again, that's the reality of trading. So you want small red weeks and you want big green weeks. So typically our green weeks are around $4,000. And so altogether for the last 5 weeks, we would have been at $14,080 altogether. So not a bad little gain in profits there. So that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.